Vaquero Artisan here. Now the Buck 110 automatic classic knife is one of the most tough built knives that you can purchase. The Buck 110 knife is one of the most durable built knives made in the United States. This knife is composed of United States metal and steel and well built here in the United States. Now my knife, I've had it for about 4 months and it's been used over and over and over again. And it has not even broke. It is still solid. Even though it has a automatic spring inside. Now the Buck 10 can be used to pry around areas to get pyrite out of rocks. You can use it to discover rocks, discover minerals, discover pieces of wood that is still attached to the forest ground. The Buck 110 automatic knife package consists of a leather sheath. The Buck 110 leather sheath is proudly made in the United States. Now this is conveniently called a pancake sheath. This pancake sheath made by Twisted seems to hold up pretty good, and this is how it would look. You will prefer to have the blade against the highest point of the pancake package. The Buck 110 automatic knife sheath package has held up pretty good for me over the last 4 months that I've had it. I've used it over and over again on the weekends that I do get out to do my outdoor exploring. Now I use this Buck 10 knife also when I'm inside the house. I may do something where if I need to cut some rope or something that I need to use, I'll keep it clean also. I'll give you a demonstration on how to pull the Buck 110 knife out of the package with the proper blade end in the highest point. If I would have had the blade on this end, you can see the difference. It doesn't fit right, and if you pull it out, it's more than likely to injure you than the opponent. The Buck 110 has superior metals to it also. How to properly place 110 knife back into knife itself. Made in United States. Like I said, I switched out the leather sheath that held it because I wanted it a little bit more light package, more convenient. Still use this pancake leather sheath. Now, this one is by Twisted. I'm not being sponsored by them. It's just this was the best durable looking one in the store at the time when I purchased it. Vaquero Artisan here, coming to you from my backyard. Vaquero Artisan here, coming to you from my backyard. The birds are chirping. How to properly fit it back in. Blade side and the longest end side of the pancake leather sheath. That's how to properly put it back in, so you won't have your blade exposed and tucked out. This part could be exposed and tucked out because it's not what? It is not the part that is going to be coming out to the opponent. It's the holding part of the knife. Vaquero Artisan here. Hope you guys can subscribe, like, and share.